Hello students, today we are going to learn the third part of quadratic equations. How we come to know it is the third part. 99% of the questions of quadratic equations cannot be solved by splitting the middle term. For example, here the last term will be 2 4s are 8. So if I want to split 8 1s are 4 2s are 8 plus 1 or 8 minus 1 won't give you 3. 4 2s are 8, 4 plus 2 6, 4 minus 2 2. So 8 plus 1 9 and 8 minus 1 7. This is how we identify that this question cannot be solved by splitting the middle term. That means we have to use the formula method. Remember. Second hint, if you look here in board papers, this question comes either for 4 marks or sometimes 7 marks. They will always give solve the following equation giving your answer correct to 2 dp. When they use this statement, you should get the hint that this is a quadratic equation of third type which have to be solved by formula method. Now what is the formula method? I already told you quadratic equation means it will have two answers. So the formula of quadratic equation is minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, which gives you the first answer, and minus b minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So here there is plus, we get a different answer. Here there is minus, we get a different answer. So that is how we get two values. Now how to solve? First step, two x square minus 3x minus 4. The number before x square is always your a along with the sign. Remember, so if it is plus, nothing is given, it is plus. B part will be the value before x, which is minus 3, and C part is the constant. So C is minus 4. Identify. And majority of the times they give you subtraction sums because chances of getting a wrong answer with the minus sign increases. So students, always remember, whenever there is minus, you have to be extra careful in the board exam. Okay, how I do? First, the best part is that I solve b square minus 4ac first. So my b square, that is minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 2 and b is minus 4, c is minus 4, sorry. So I get 9 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 4s are 32. That gives me 9 minus into minus plus 32. I get 41. Now I find out square root of b square minus 4ac, because in our sum formula we have like this. So I get square root of 41, which gives me around 6.403. Okay, so what I do, once I get this, my job becomes easier. Some students do it by directly substituting in the formula. They will substitute minus b, okay, so minus of minus 3 b square, they will put all these things. Now what is the problem? You substitute and any single number out of this is wrong, you get totally 0 for the steps. You don't get marks at all. You don't get marks at all, because you substitute directly. So my suggestion is first do this step. So even after substituting here now, if you get the final answer wrong, at least they will give you marks for these steps because you have found out half the answer. So it is my advice that do by this method, which is going to fetch you more marks. Now I put here now. I write the formula again, minus b. Chalo, let's do this first. So b is minus 3. So minus 3 minus 6.403 upon 2a. A is 2. So I get 3 minus 6.403 upon 4. This gives me answer as 2 decimal place they have told. So my answer is 0.85. I have corrected to 2 decimal place. I will get in the calci, you will get 3. You will round off to 2 because they have told you to do. Here also kids commit a mistake that they keep the answer to 3 decimal place or 4 decimal place. They forget. So reading the question during the exam is very important. This I got the value for minus. Let us check for plus what you will get. So here same, everything is same. Only instead of minus you will write now plus. So minus 3 plus 6.403 upon 2. So I get here 9 plus 6.403 upon 4, and that gives me the answer as in the calci as 2.35. So my answer at the end is 2.35. This is how you solve. The first step, remember the formulas, very important. Before you are appearing for the board exams, 1 month before the board exam, you should be thorough with all the formulas. So a hint to get good marks in IG board exam is to be thorough with the formula. So remember, I'll repeat the step. When they have given an equation which cannot be done by splitting the middle term, or if it has 2 dp, that means it is the quadratic equation of the third type. First is the formula. Write the formula, minus b plus of square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus b minus of b square minus 4ac. People forget this a here down, they just write 2. So that is where if a is 1, you are saved, but if a is 2 or 3, you are gone. Second step, find out b square minus 4ac first. Now here it is the biggest hint I will tell you, my dear student. If your b square minus 4ac value is in minus, that means your step is wrong. B square minus 4ac can never be negative because we cannot find the root of any negative number. So remember this hint, that b square minus 4ac should always be a positive number. So if it's a positive number, and then find its root 6.403, apply the formula, get the first value, get the second value. So this was our